I have a neighbor over there in the mountains. Her name is Fran. Going to the little playground, so let's go. So guys, we're at a restaurant right now. It's really good, I like it, but I think the cheese is too cheesy. I'm in the sky, so high!
Bonjour from Lausanne. Marina has just arrived in this beautiful Swiss city, full of lakeside charm, chocolate delights, and secrets of diplomacy. What discoveries await this time? Let's find out together.
Hi guys, we're at a hotel and now we're going to come in and check out our room, so let's go.
Welcome to the stunning Beau Rivage Palace. This legendary hotel has hosted royalty, celebrities, and world leaders for over 160 years. With breathtaking views of Lake Geneva and luxurious charm in every detail, Marina is definitely staying in style.
So this is the key we got, so now we're going to come in. So now we're going to go to my room, let's go. This is actually my one. So there's another room over here, a random room. So first of all, I think this is really my room. Yeah, it's a closet. We get like an umbrella over here. Okay, I guess it might be rainy.
Ah, right you are. Marina, fingers crossed the Geneva sunshine sticks around. No need for umbrellas today. Just good vibes and fabulous adventures.
So another bed. It's like this little eating area. I'm hungry. Me hungry. Seriously, nothing useful.
Aha! Marina was expecting a mountain of Swiss chocolate, but oops! Looks like the chocolate took the day off. Better luck at the next stop.
So there's like a little table. Like, I'm gonna have all my online lessons here. I'm just gonna call the spot. Okay, I'm calling Talking Ben. Hi, Talking Ben. Can I buy a bicycle or a tricycle or whatever it is? Well, do you accept Apple Pay? Okay, here's your Apple Pay. Okay, here you go. Now give me the tricycle. Now. Time to ruin this. This is gonna get ruined. This is what I do before every single online lesson. This is what I do before every single online lesson. Me not here. My wig! Pillow fight. I don't want to hit the chandelier. I missed by a small touch. Hey, jy vrou, wat kom hier? Let me just throw. Yeah, we're playing catch. Yahoo!
Ahaha, Marina is going wild again on a brand new bed. Classic Marina.
Let's open this window now. I have a neighbor over there in the mountains. Her name is Fran.
An inspiring place for artists and filmmakers, Lausanne was home and workspace to legends like Charlie Chaplin and Coco Chanel. The city often serves as a filming location for European cinema, thanks to its aesthetic beauty, classic architecture, and stunning landscape.
So now I'm going to come here. Look, looks like a makeup mirror. It's like my makeup mirror. I never took one. Can I please get a photo? Wait a second. Let me get into position. Yeah, get a photo of that, please.
Wow, Marina, that's definitely worthy of the Vogue front cover. Strike that pose.
Now we're going to come into the bathroom. bathroom. A big mirror. Hello. Okay, nobody cares about a mirror anymore. And so then we can have like a shower with some scent. So I wonder what will work if I try to do it with a tap. Actually, oh, this is going everywhere. I don't care.
Marina, are you planning to test every single soap in every hotel you visit? Haha, that's dedication to cleanliness at the highest level.
Guess it only works in showers.
Marina, how was it?
Next time I'm cutting it open, even though my mom says not to. So there's like a shower. It's like a cute shower. Yo, it's cute. And now have a toilet. And now there's going to be. I fell into a bathtub in England, or no, it wasn't in the beginning. So time to do that again. Scared because that hurt last time, but I'm still falling in. I have a jug out of water on me. My gosh, there's a little bit of water coming out of that. No, thank you. But it doesn't have water, but now we're going to come back to the main room. And now, the end.
That's it for Marina's fabulous room tour. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and follow Marina on Instagram for even more behind-the-scenes fun. And of course, leave a comment below and tell us what you loved most. See you in the next adventure.
Hi guys, so we're going to go film the go to the little playground, so let's go.
Oh, Marina, you're running so fast, I can't keep up with you. Wait for me at least a little.
Just found this little hedgehog statue, and before we saw a black squirrel here, so let's go to the playground. It's down these stairs apparently. Do you guys dare me to jump over these stairs? I'm gonna try. That was funny. Could I jump over these ones too? Okay, this is 4 now. Actually talking, this is a lot. No, I can't. One step, so easy.
For a moment, it looked like you were about to fall straight into a magical world. Just like Alice in Wonderland. And actually, Lausanne has the only metro in Switzerland, and it's the world's only fully automated metro line that climbs uphill, covering an elevation difference of over 300 meters.
So we're going to a playground. My favorite playground, let's go. Ooh, jumpy. First, I see these rocks. First of all, they're very bouncy. Now I'm going to see this little play area. Let's go. Let's hold. Let's try and grab this.
Oh, Marina, ahaha, you gave me a fright there.
I'm gonna go for this obstacle course and then I'm gonna add some stuff to him. Actually, I'm gonna add something right now. It's the highest we will get in this video. But it's not the highest we will get in my channel because we already had a Burj Khalifa series. So that's way higher. It's where I climb. It's so easy. It's harder to get down. I'm in the sky, so high!
Ahaha, Marina. You found the perfect stage for your grand concert debut. Shall we start the show?
Okay, and do you guys actually see that we're the only ones at the playground? Where's everybody else? It's against the good. Okay, now we're going down the slide. Wait! Oh, my trousers are not for a slide. Oh, This trampoline is so fun. It actually has metal on it. I can't believe this is what they made out of, metal and plastic. Because this is mostly metal and plastic and rubber. Metal is actually bouncy. It's like metal chains which hold this trampoline. I mean, I have an idea. Bounce? Wait a second, there's another one. What if I try doing...
That was absolutely incredible. You totally stole the show. Bravo.
I'm going to see what I can do with that. I just realized I'm the only person here. Wow. Yeah, but well, this is what I can do alone. I just realized I'm the only person here, but for something I can do on this toy alone, walk.
Oh, Marina, what a shame I'm just an AI. I would have loved to play there with you too.
Okay, but now I'm gonna do a very fun part. I like doing this. We're actually going to jump off this little rope. It's gonna be so fun. I just got into a spider web. Get that off. Get that off of me. My God. Get it off. Get it off.
Okay guys, what about your favorite playground? Describe it in the comments below. We'd love to hear. And don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of Marina's new adventures.
So I'm going to try to get on that horse's back. Let's see, it's a donkey. Help me. I can't get on. Help. Yes, I do. Please help me. Can't get on. When I was younger, I always dreamed on sitting on one of these statues and my mom said, that thing would break. Wait, if you sit on it, like, huh? What do you mean? Like, I'm just a baby, like, let me sit on it. Let's see if I can get on this on my own. Definitely, but like, I need to actually put some effort into this. I can do it, I just need some effort, actually. I'm actually not. So easy. Not easy, actually. I have to actually put some effort in.
Exactly, Marina. No pain, no gain. You're smashing it as always.
So I'm going to go outside the hotel and just go around. So basically now we're going to go to that tower and see what's over there.
Marina, this beautiful building is Chateau Douchy, a historic castle right on the shores of Lake Geneva. Once a medieval fortress, today it's an elegant hotel full of fascinating stories.
So this place is the capital of the Olympic Games, and this is the clock until the next Olympic Games. Legit, the seconds go down. So literally 12,000 days. Oh, it's only 1,000. Still a lot. Seriously!
Lausanne has been the official capital of the International Olympic Committee since 1915. It is also home to the Olympic Museum, the world's largest museum dedicated to the Olympic Games, featuring interactive exhibits and stunning views over Lake Geneva.
Imagine if you wanted to see the Olympic Games, but you thought it's a day, it's the next day, and then you just come here to watch, walk, just and then see the watch, but it's in 2 seconds, and you actually want to see it. So then you're trying to get in time, and of course you can't in 2 seconds. So this is another playground. This looks so fun. Oh, so those people probably trying to catch a boat to France. There's one going right now, apparently. So I'm literally on a playground and we're trying to get to France. Why, if you really want to go to France, why didn't you just fly to France when you're flying here? If you're living here, just this is this jumping one. I want to get you. I want to that.
Marina can find a playground everywhere. Ha.
So now we're going to just see that playground. It's like 3 slides. Let's try to get to all. This playground actually looks like a boat, and like it kind of is. So going to do this one right now. This is the first path. There's like 3 paths. The second one has like 1 block missing, but the third one has like only a couple blocks, but we're still gonna go through it. Path number 1 is just all of these ones. Gonna try and make it to that big slide. There's like a lot of these little steps. And on the second one looks funner, just like a lot of different adventures instead. That these paths do not work. And since we're not working at all, maybe I should try and climb the slide.
Marina, these jeans were definitely invented to stop kids from having fun.
Guys, so that is actually like a castle right here. So put your guesses in the comments who you think lived there before. And now it's time to go to a restaurant. Let's go.
Guys, leave your thoughts below and don't forget like this video and subscribe to the channel.
So guys, we're at a restaurant right now and we're going to be, I ordered the cheese fondue, which is actually Switzerland main dish. There's a lot of cows here who might give milk. So I'm also gonna try that and tell you how it is. And this is a fork I'm going to be using today. Small, really small. So guys, do you like cheese? Because like I love cheese. My sister doesn't even want to look at cheese, so I love when I'm eating cheese to like come up to her and like put it in her face.
Marina, you're officially the best sister ever. No competition.
Sky, can you tell me about Switzerland's cheese?
Marina, Swiss cheese is famous all around the world because of its incredible taste, quality, and long tradition. Switzerland has been making cheese for centuries, with hundreds of delicious types, like Emmental, Gruyere, and Appenzeller. They're known for their creamy texture, distinctive flavors, and those iconic holes, perfectly Swiss.
And I also know that Switzerland is famous for its chocolate, and I love chocolate. I would have it for, I like it for dinner, I love it for lunch, but I love it for dinner.
Haha, yes. Marina Swiss chocolate is just as famous. It's known worldwide for its rich, creamy taste and exceptional quality. Switzerland was one of the first countries to perfect chocolate making, creating famous brands like Lindt and Toblerone. Sweet perfection, right?
So guys, I just brought a fondue and this is my first time trying it. And this is how to eat it. You're supposed to put it on a small fork and put a little piece of the bread in it and twirl it. And the fondue is really hot, so just like make sure it doesn't stop stripping. Oh, now it's stuck to me, great. Supposed to blow in it, I forgot. I'm so good, I took a piece out of his bread. It looks like I haven't touched it. It's really good, I like it, but I think the cheese is too cheesy. It's so good, I really recommend it, and I'm gonna have a lot of that.
Did you enjoy our Swiss adventure? Would you like to visit Switzerland yourself? Tell us in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon so you don't miss our next exciting video, and follow me on Instagram for even more adventures. See you soon!